after the Damfa and after the conduct of the reconnaissance by His Excellency the President, we also conducted some recce to look at areas where we think we can conduct some operations to mitigate the impact of the rain. We can't stop the rains. So based on that, we conducted some recce to places like Damfa, Oyarifa, places like Oyarifa, New York Junction, the Creche area and the Boundary Road area. And then after that, we decided that we're going to conduct operation such that we'll tackle the discharge, the source, before we come to the cause of water bodies. So as we speak, we've started some work on the patient dredging, and the discussion is ongoing. Yesterday, we did some work in Okae North just to silt some culverts. So going forward, we'll tackle the discharge area, which is the patient. We'll dredge those areas. They will come upstream and beneath the foothills of the mountains, tackle some water retention areas that people have built on, and then we'll tackle the cause of water bodies.
As we heard our general speaking, that of engineering part, government is ensuring that we do it. What we are going to also tackle is the behavioral part. And we plead with Ghanaians that when we get there, we need their full support. What I mean with the behavioral part is where people have built in waterways. The last time during the press conference, General mentioned that in places that we need to demolish, we have to. We all know what we witnessed some few weeks ago. We don't want it to happen again. So when we get there, we need the full support of Ghanaians.
Problem crowd na dia still na confess bita ebetua tim ko boy me for amane e baaye minimo pe bi kakra mama I don't know that one there ana omo yi omani nti penyimfo nyina ba se omo ntia asem nso ne there because so ni yira ade obi afie ko ha te ne nya kasa sa wo ba be no macho fa ba be gu ase langard for sa no aba be do so ye na wasa ko ti ade nyina ne dia wo se anyina aton nyina am dia ama no nso ni nyina ne dia se aton wa se aton ama no ono ye reinforcement wa ha afao patron asida good one ye we no nti we no ko so obama na abaso obama na pillar na nso na tima fada na ase patron ati ase obesie so ana nso so save nso se ma nso bribe ntimi bribe nso se chinchina obe foforo ko ne kwan na wa na obefa ekoko fie maame bi wo abu wo no kura nte woni nso ni iri a wo nyina no eni fia nyina nso no de ejiri para no de wa ha wo ye wan ko ebe twon kura ko iri boss ro ko nso ni firi no wa na eba firi se ti no no de wo so bi na to ase ama no to no papers.
This place is Damfa, Oyarifa, just beneath the foothills of the Ebri. So a portion falls in Damfa, a portion is in Oyarifa. This is one of the natural holding sites. Now Oyarifa in the past, because it's just located right under the foothills of Ebri, it's supposed to have a holding capacity. So in the past, this place was mainly for agricultural purposes because of such natural holding points. But as we speak, this point has the capacity to hold, but the water is not having direct access to the pond. People have blocked the waterways, so the water has to find a course before getting to this point. If we're able to clear the waterway and increase its capacity, it can hold some water for some time, then release gradually, so we prevent flooding downstream. And the gradient would allow us to hold it and then release it. But if we allow it to go as it is now, the speed with which it will go, the lag time of getting to Accra will be very short and will cause more havoc.
It seems there are a number of buildings blocking the waterway, so the direct access into the pond has been blocked. And we have to clear some of the structures so that the rivers or streams have direct access into the pond. Once it gets into the pond, its outlet will be controlled.